Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your date of birth on TikTok. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, go to TikTok on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now go ahead and tap the three lines that you see at the top right of your screen. Select Settings in Privacy. Click on Account. Now tap on Account Information. Now go ahead and select Date of Birth. Now you can change your date of birth according to your desire. Tap on Confirm once you have made your changes. Go ahead and select Confirm once again. And that's it. This is how you change your date of birth on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.